Hi everyone, welcome back to Edu Planet Academy. Today we are going to discuss about Telangana's SEA1 Summative Assessment 1 10th class Math Part B solutions. This is our question number 1. Find the product of prime factors of 220. This question from real numbers chapter. We can solve this question by using fundamental arithmetic theorem concept. It is saying that fundamental arithmetic theorem is stating that we can write any composite number as product of primes. Yes, it means we have to factorize the given number with the help of primes. So as key, I am taking some prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, so on. Start the factorization process with the least prime number, that is 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0. Again 110 will be the even number. It will be divisible by 2. Use 2. 2 5s are 10. 11 minus 10. 1. 1 0 means 10. 2 5s are 10. By seeing only easily we can say that this number can be divisible by prime number 5. 5 11s are 55. Therefore, we can write 220 as 2 into 2 into 5 into 11. It means 2 square into 5 into 11. It means the correct answer is option C. This is our question number 2. What is the decimal form of 7 by 25? Yes, there is a concept in our real numbers chapter, that is the rational numbers which are having their denominator in the form of 2 to the power of n into 5 to the power of m. Such kind of rational numbers are terminating decimals. Yes, they are terminating values. That concept only we are going to use here. Consider the given number, that is 7 by 25. Just focus on the denominator only. 7 by 25 I can write as 5 square. See, I have only 5, but what I need into 2 also I need. So simple, by multiplying both numerator and denominator by, already 5 square is there, just attach 2 square. 7 by 5 square into 2 square into 2 square. 7 into 2 square means 4 by 5 square into 2 square. I can write as 2 into 5 whole square, otherwise 5 into 2 whole square. 7 4s are 28 upon 2 5s are 10 square. 28 upon 10 square means 100. If I remove 2 zeros from the denominator, it means if I remove 100 from the denominator, I will get the form as 0.28. It means the option B will be our answer. Number 3 is, they have given the set D is X such that X is a letter in the word examination. They have given the set in the set builder structure. Now what is the question? Then the number of subsets of set D we need to find. Firstly, we have to convert it into the roster form. Set D equals set of, see, each element we have to write without repeating them. Firstly E, second element X, third element A, fourth element M, fifth one I, sixth one N, seventh one, no, A already repeated, we should not write, we have to omit it. Next T, next I also we have to avoid. So this is a set D in the roster form. Now how many number of elements are there in set D? Number of elements are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 elements are there. How to find out the number of subsets in the set? Subsets of a particular set equals 2 raised to the power of n. Just to substitute the value, you will get an answer 2 raised to the power of n. N value is how much? 8. 2 raised to the power of 8 value will be 256. It means The option D will be the correct answer. This is our question number 4. Out of these 4 sets, we have to identify what is an empty set. See here, set of x such that x square equals 9 and x is an even number. It means x is an element. To that element, if you write the square, you have to get 9. That is the condition. Let us take some even numbers. They have defined x as even numbers, right? Even numbers generally starts from 2. 2, next even number 4, consecutive numbers please. 6, 8, 10, so on. For these even numbers, you have to write square. If you write the square, how much values you will get? 2 square 4, 4 square 16, 6 square 36, 8 square 64, 10 square 100. It means all even numbers are delivering even numbers only. It means if you write the square values for the even numbers, again in the result also you are getting even numbers only. It means what the condition they have given, based on this condition the given statement is not satisfying. So we can say that in this set no elements will be there to satisfy the given statement, so that this set is an empty set. So this is the option A only correct answer. If you want to know remaining these 3 sets roster form, please comment down, you will get an explanation. This is our question number 5. Given that A and B are disjoint sets, then n of A union B equals what? Disjoint sets means which sets are not having any mutual element, any common element. Such kind of sets are called as disjoint sets. Let us solve this question by taking one illustration. Set A I am taking as 1, 2, 3 elements. Set B I am taking as 16, 18. See what they have given, set A and B disjoint sets. Like that only I have taken the set A and B elements. No common element is there in between set A and B. See here, n of A union B. If I do the union in between these 2 sets, then I will get 1, 2, 3, 16, 18. Then n of A equals, how many elements are there? 3 elements. N of B, in B set, how many elements are there? 2 sets are there. Then I can say that n of A union B equals n of A plus n of B. You can check n of A union B. In A union B, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there. N of A union B 5, n of A value 3 plus n of B value 2. 5 equals 3 plus 2, 5. So n of A union B I can write as n of A plus n of B. So the correct answer is option D. The next question is, for this cubic polynomial 6x cube plus 4x square minus 12x plus 2, we have to find sum of product of its zeros value. See, for this cubic polynomial alpha and beta and gamma are the zeros. Now we need to find the value of sum of product of its zeros. There is the formula, sum of product of zeros equals coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube. What is the coefficient of x here? X coefficient minus 12 by coefficient of x cube 6 minus 12 by 6. If you cancel 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. It means minus 2 is the correct answer. It means option D will be our correct option. In the next question, they have given that in this graph there is a graph line of f of x. For this graph line we need to find the zeros. See, f of x is the polynomial. For this polynomial they have drawn the graph. It means that polynomial they have represented graphically. Then we need to find the zeros of that polynomial. Simple. Where the graph line is intersecting x-axis, those points are considered as zeros of the polynomial. It means minus 2 and positive 1 and positive 3. These three are the zeros of the given polynomial f of x. It means option A is our correct answer. The next one is they have given four kind of polynomials. Out of them, we need to find which polynomial will have only one zero. We'll see that. Firstly, polynomial of x equals x square minus 9. This is quadratic polynomial. It means it will have two zeros. And vice versa, second one also quadratic polynomial only. Quadratic polynomial can have two zeros. Next, polynomial of x equals 5. No, this is not the polynomial because there is no variable in it. When we move to the last one, polynomial of x equals 2x plus 1. Yes, it is linear polynomial. Linear polynomials always they will have 1 0. So this is our correct option. 2x plus 1 will have only 1 0. Option D will be correct option. The next question is, we need to evaluate the value of log 0.01 to the base 10. Log 0.01 can be written as 1 by 100 to the base 10. We know that in the logarithm, if fraction comes, it means in the logarithm, if division comes, division gives us subtraction. It means log 1 to the base 10 minus log 100 to the base 10. Which formula here I have used? Log x by y equals log x minus log y. That formula. Next, log 1 value. Already we know that in the logarithm, if 1 comes, unit log, it will be called as a unit log. Unit log value will be 0. Minus log 100 I can write as 10 square to the base 10. 0, there is no value of it. So directly you can go with second term. Minus, in the logarithm what we are getting? Power is there. Power will become coefficient. 2 log. Understood? This power comes forward. It means minus 2 log 10 to the base 10. Next, minus 2 log value and base value both are same. Then the entire value will become 1. Minus 2 ones are minus 2. The correct answer is minus 2. It means option B will be our option. See students here, which formulas we have used. Here one formula I have mentioned, and here one more formula, that is what? Log x to the power of m equals m log into x. Next, here log value and base value both are same. It means log a to the base a equals 1. By using these three formulas, we can solve this one. The next question is, they have given pair of linear equations, and the question is, we need to identify whether they are consistent or dependent or inconsistent. Let us check. First of all, we have to convert them into the structure of ax plus by plus c equals 0. 2x minus y plus 4, if I move to LHS, it will become minus 4 equals 0. Next, 4x minus 2y plus 6 will become minus 6 equals 0. Now, we need to compare the ratios of their coefficients. Coefficients already we know that a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Yes, by comparing the ratios of a comma b comma c, these are coefficients. If I compare a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, just compare them. a1 by a2 is 2 by 4. Next, b1 by b2 minus 1 by minus 2, c1 by c2 minus 4 by minus 6. Just perform the calculation, then you can relate them. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It means 1 by 2. Minus minus cancel and 1 by 2 will remain. Minus minus can be cancelled. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. It means 2 by 3. So 1 by 2 equals 1 by 2. It is not equals to 2 by 3. It means I can say that a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 does not equals C1 by C2. By this condition, we can say that which pair of linear equations coefficients A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 but not equals to C1 by C2. In this condition, they will be parallel. Graphically, they will be parallel and number of solutions are 0 and they are inconsistent. So, the correct answer is option C. The next question, in triangle PQR, we need to find the PT value. Here we can observe that ST is parallel to QR. So this problem we can solve by using basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. See here, basic proportionality theorem is saying that in a triangle, to any one side, if you draw the parallel line, that parallel line will divide remaining two sides in the equal ratio. It means I can say that in triangle PQR, PS by SQ equals PT by TR. From this statement, we can write one more also. PS by PQ equals PT by PR. See students, how we have got this statement? If you want to know, please comment down. You will get a detailed explanation. Just substitute the values PS by PQ. PS value 3 by PQ value PQ 3 plus 5 8 equals PT not given by PR value. PR means 28. 3 by 8, that side 28 is dividing. If I bring to LHS, it will become the multiplication equals PT. Next, perform the calculation. 4 2 is 8, 4 7 is 28. It means 3 into 7 by 2. 3 into 7 by 2 equals PT. 3 7s are 21 by 2. 21 by 2 is nothing but 10.5. It means option B is the correct. Here is our next question. Given that x value equals cosec theta plus cot theta, y value equals cosec theta minus cot theta, then how to build the relationship in between x and y? See guys, we know trigonometric identities. One of the trigonometric identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. From this equals 1. From this identity, we can solve the given question. It is resembling, LHS is resembling a square minus b square. Yes, a square minus b square we can expand as a plus b into a minus b. It means cosec theta plus cot theta, a plus b into a minus b. Cosec theta minus cot theta equals 1. A square minus b square I have written as a plus b into a minus b. But given that cosec theta plus cot theta equals x and cosec theta minus cot theta equals y, it means x into y equals 1. The correct option is option C. This is our next question. Express tan theta in terms of sec theta. This is also very easy. This question also we are going to solve by using one of the trigonometric identities, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. Finally, we have to express this tan theta value in terms of sec theta. So, we need to highlight the tan theta. Yes. See here, sec square theta plus 1, if you bring this side, it will become minus theta equals minus tan square. If you move that side, it will become the plus tan square theta. Next, sec square theta minus 1 equals tan square theta. Tan is having square. Square, if you bring this side, it will become the root equals tan theta. That's all. We have expressed tan theta in terms of sec theta. You can check tan theta value we have shown by using only sec theta value. That's all. It means the correct answer is option C. This is our next question. If sin theta equals cos theta, based on that condition, we need to find the value of 3 tan theta plus cot theta. 3 into tan theta. Tan we can write as sin by cos. As usually, cot theta we can write as cos by sin. 3 into sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta equals to what? Cos theta. Yes, in place of sine, I am going to replace cos theta by cos theta plus cos theta upon sine theta means what? Again, cos theta only. Cos theta can be cancelled. This side also cos theta can be cancelled. 3 into 1 plus here 1 will remain. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 equals 4. It means option B is the correct choice. The 15th question is the shadow of a building. The shadow of a building is root 3 times the height of the building. Then the angle of elevation is. See what they have given. Shadow of building. Building shadow is what? Root 3 times of the height. Root 3 times means multiplication. Root 3 of height of that building. Just consider this is the height of the building and this is the shadow of the building. But in the question what they have given, shadow equals root 3 into height. Then we need to find out the angle of elevation. Let us consider the angle is located here. It means on the ground. Let us see angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. However, by considering theta here, for this theta, how can you relate these two sides? How can you relate these two sides? For this theta, this side height will be opposite and this will be adjacent. It means what is that? Opposite by adjacent gives us tan theta. It means tan opposite by adjacent equals tan theta. Opposite value is what? Height by adjacent value. What is that? Shadow. Shadow equals tan theta. Height value h only. Shadow value is what? Root 3 into h. Root 3 into h equals tan theta. H can be cancelled. What is the remaining left side? 1 by root 3 equals tan theta. Already we know that 1 by root 3 in terms of tan theta, the value is tan 30 degrees equals tan theta. Both sides tan can be cancelled. Then 30 degrees equals theta. It means angle of elevation equals how much? 30 degrees. It is nothing but our option A is the correct choice. Question number 16. A person is moving towards the object, then the angle of elevation is, yes, it is increases only. Option A is the correct answer. Why? Because when the observer is moving very closer to the target object, always the angle of elevation will be increases. And when the observer is away from the target object, automatically angle of elevation will be decreased. Option A is the correct answer. Next question is, we need to find the median of log 8 to the base 2, log 4 to the base 2, log 32 to the base 2, log 16 to the base 2, log 64 to the base 2. First of all, we have to evaluate these values. Log 8 to the base 2, it means simply I can write as, check all these log values, 8, 4, 32, 16 and 64. All these values can be expressed as 2 to the power of n. Yes, by keeping the base as 2, we can express all these numbers. So 8 we can express as 2 cube to the base 2. Log 4, 2 square to the base 2. Next, log 32 is nothing but 2 to the power of 5 to the base 2. Log 16, 2 to the power of 4 to the base 2. Next, log 64, 2 to the power of 6 to the base 2. We know that in the logarithm, if power comes, power will be coefficient. It means coefficient of logarithm. It means 3 of log 2 base 2. Next, 2 of log 2 base 2. Next, 5 of log 2 base 2. Next, 4 of log 2 base 2. Next, 6 of log 2 base 2. We know that in the logarithm, if log value and base value both are same, then entire value will be 1. It means 3 into 1, 2 into 1 simultaneously, 5 into 1, 4 into 1, next 6 into 1. The final answers are what? 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 5, 4 ones are 4, 6 ones are 6. Yes, successfully we have converted logarithmic values to the numerals. Now we need to find the median of them. To find the median, first of all, data should be in the ascending order. By arranging them in the ascending order, first 2 will come, next 3, next 4, next 5, next 6. What is the median of this data? This is ungrouped data. In the ungrouped data, to find the median, the middle observation will be the correct answer. The middle one is what? 4. 4 is nothing but option C is our correct option. The next question is, we need to find the mean of first 5 composite numbers. Firstly, let us take first 5 composites. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. These are the first 5 composite numbers. The mean of them is, mean formula is what? Mean formula is sum of observations divided by number of observations. Sum of observations, all the observations sum, 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 upon, how many are there? 5 divided by 5. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 10, 37. Do the cancellation. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. 37 minus 35, 2. Put the point, you will get 0. 5 4s are 20. It means 7.4 is the correct answer. Option C is our correct choice. Next, question number 19. What is the infinite set out of these 4 sets? The first one is the set of a months in a year. Months in a year, how many months will be there? 12 months. It means it is finite set. Second one, the set of letters in the English alphabet. In the English alphabet, totally 26 letters will be there. So this is also finite set. Next, last question, what is the mode of this data? This is ungrouped data. In ungrouped data, the mode is what? More times repeated value is the mode. So 5 is repeating highest times. Therefore, mode is what? 5. The correct option is C. Dear students, whatever the doubts are there in this explanation, please comment down. You will get a detailed explanation of them. Thank you one and all.